In this video, I am going to show you how to use Google Trends to make YouTube videos trending ones. Open your web browser and navigate to Google Trends. This is your starting point for uncovering a wealth of data on trending topics. In the search bar, type in the topic, keyword, or phrase you are curious about. This could be anything from sustainable, fashion, to tech reviews. Once you've entered your search term, you'll notice a drop-down menu that defaults to web search. Click on this drop-down and choose YouTube Search to filter the results specifically for YouTube Trends. Google Trends allows you to refine your search based on location, time frame, and categories. This customization can help you pinpoint trends that are relevant to your specific audience or content niche. The resulting page will display a graph showing the interest in your topic over time, specifically on YouTube. Use this data to understand the peaks and troughs in popularity, helping you time your content effectively. YouTube's trending page showcases popular content in your country. Access this by clicking on Trending from the YouTube homepage or side menu. It's a quick way to see what's currently capturing viewers' attention. If you're a content creator with access to YouTube Studio, dive into the Research tab. Here, you'll find data on trending searches, viewer interests, and content gaps. Valuable insights for tailoring your content strategy. You can also leverage third-party tools like vidIQ or Ahrefs, offers different or advanced analytics and keyword trends for data. They can provide a deeper understanding of what's trending and what keywords to target your content. By combining Google Trends with YouTube's own tools and resources, you can gain a comprehensive view of what's trending, what your audience is interested in, and how to strategically plan your content. And remember, trends evolve, so make it a habit to regularly check these resources to stay ahead in your content game. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.